Hey everyone, I hope you had a great weekend and I hope you're ready and excited for this week. I really enjoyed getting to hear from all of you and those that made it to our live office hours last week. It was a lot of fun and I really appreciate your guys' insights into binge watching and our current situation and the pros and cons of it. And I really enjoyed getting to see you guys. I miss you guys very much and I'd much rather be at school with you. All right, so this week we're going to focus on a little bit of the progressive era and how things were. This also kind of ties into the end of the immigration period. So if you click on classwork, as always, you click on that daily agenda slide, then the slideshow comes up, and you always look on this third slide. The second slide, remember, has the important, some of the important links that you would need. There's a lot of reading this week, and I do apologize. All of your blog prompts right here have to do with your TED Talk. It's a 10-minute TED Talk. He does a lot of kind of quick, funny videos, so it really goes a lot faster than it seems. Let's see here. And then if you go back into Google Classroom and head on down to week 4, these are all gray because they're going to post tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. You would click on progressive topics 1 and 2 first, and then 3 through 5. 1 and 2 should be done on Tuesday, hopefully, if you have time. If you don't, you guys just do these whenever you have the chance. I am not going through to make sure they're absolutely done on Tuesday. If you have time Monday to do it, do it. If you have time Wednesday to do it, do it. Just as long as they're kind of getting done by the end of the week so you're staying on top of your little lives, okay? So what these look like is there's a slideshow that goes along with them. And then if you click on the assignment, this is what it will look like. I really quickly just wanted to reiterate a couple of things. One, yep, this is what I'd like you to do. But if you don't want to just answer the questions on this Google Doc, if you would rather make a Flipgrid or use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using to record this video right now, to answer those questions, or maybe you want to simply record yourself in iMovie or whatever, you guys do that. This is for you. So answer it however you would like, or just answer it on the Google Doc. That's absolutely fine. If you do something other than the Google Doc, I need you to email it to me though. All right. Okay, make sure you answer these questions on your weekly blog prompt. Make sure you add a new post, and I'm trying to get through to read those and comment on as many as I can. All right, I hope everyone's good. Have a good week. Email me if you have any questions.